Guys, we're making this Oreo cake thing.
I hope it turns out good because
Yeah, it's like a cake, and you put you crush up Oreos and put milk in it and microwave it.
we already tasted
The batter, and it's so good.
I'm throwing my bag away because I don't.
Ah! It went everywhere.
What did?
My batter. I'm eating it off of my sock.
Are you recording that?
Yeah, I guess.
Ew. Why does it ew?
It looks like poo everywhere.
Okay, who's going first to put it in the microwave?
Oh, you can.
Where's the milk?
It's right there.
Okay, first we need to mix it to see.
I can't wait.
Okay, how much did you put in?
Just a little bit, not too much.
So tell me what
We used 5. We used 9 Oreos. Car, they're coming back.
Whatever. Hold on. Pause the YouTube video.
No, that's
No.
Yeah, but you're right. Yep, you're right.
No, whatever you're trying to do is fine. No, I'm not doing that.
Hot.